Party, party, party. That's what I'm thinking of today. I'm going to have an event coming up, just a social event in our home. They have a name tag they're given as soon as they walk in the door. Their name tag only with their first name. And underneath their name is a country. Italy, Spain, whatever. And they have to find out, because these people don't know each other. They come from different cities and different towns. They're our close friends. They have to search for the other people who have that country under their name. So I'm going to have all the Italys sitting together, all the Spains sitting together, and I have 5 tables, so there'll be 5 different countries. With that, they must start a conversation, find those people, and by the time they sit down for dinner, they will have already had some feedback on those individuals. It works fabulously well for me, and it's always successful. Let me know your thoughts.